Learn how to make your own face scrub at home in 2 minutes with just 3 kitchen ingredients. Here is what you will need: 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix them together until you get a grainy, scrub-like texture. Store it in a clean, dry, airtight container. You can add a pinch of lavender oil for fragrance, but it is completely optional. This scrub is all natural, gentle, and perfect for daily use. To use, take a small amount and gently massage it onto your damp face for about a minute. Avoid using on broken or highly sensitive skin. Rinse with warm water. If your skin feels too oily, you can wash it off with a mild soap. Sugar exfoliates, coconut oil moisturizes, and turmeric brightens. All natural, no chemicals, no fuss. Like and subscribe for more tips and ideas.